You want to learn how to make multiple extension board? Stay tuned, don't go anywhere. In this video, in a few minutes, we are going to learn how to make multi-extension board.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi guys, it's me again and I'm back. This is Basic Home Tech. If this is your first time watching Basic Home Tech, please press the subscribe button, then press the notification button so that anytime we post a new video, you receive a notification to watch. In this video, we are going to learn how to make multiple extension. In the previous video, we learned how to make an extension which was also two-in-one. It was two-in-one, so it was only one extension. And then we are going to learn how to make multiple of these. So I'm just going to give you a gist on how to make multiple extension. All right. So let's get started. So we have our socket box again. Then we have our socket. This time we have two sockets. Then we have our recoil flexible wire or flexible cable. Then we have our wires 2.5 mm. As usual, we have our screw sets, apply, and our knife. So let's get started. How do we make multiple extensions? We have the wood method, then we have you using only this. But then to use only this, you have to have an adhesive which can hold these two together. So maybe a super glue will do. What you will do is to glue these two together firmly. Then you make a hole like this. A hole like this. So let me use this one. You make a hole like this so that the three of flexible cable or flexible wire will be here. Then you have to also make a small cut here so that you can use your normal wire for the connection. You understand as you watch this video. But then I prefer to use the wood, so I'm going to use the wood. We also need screws to hold this to this. So these are my screws. As you can see, I have screws here. We position the socket box. We position the socket box on this. And use your screws. Okay, so this is it. So we have your two socket box. We have to now find a way to create a hole so that we can pass the wire into this one, then from here to here. So I have this kind of holes here in the socket box. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this hose. I'm going to create a hole right here to pass the wires. So the male wire which will connect to the plug will be coming from here, and the one that will come from that will connect this one to this will also be here. So like how we made the hole in the socket box in the previous video by using a screw. So we are going to use a screw here. think this is quite enough. Let's see, because the only way that will be passing through is this. Okay, so it's enough, as you can see. It's enough. Alright, so now it's left with how we connect from here to here. So we have to make another hole right here and right here. So we go again. So when we are done, we just pass the wires to the CD. This time should be enough. Perfect. So we have it here. Right. Pass it. We were not to pull all the cables inside, so leave some amount in it. That's maybe going down like this. Alright. This one is too long. Listen it a bit. Let's see. That's it. So this will be a looping. So we are going to loop from where the main plug is coming from to the other socket. So if you have another socket here, I mean that you have to make another hole here, then just like the wire passing through here, you have to pass another wire from here to here. So this is our main wire. You pull it. Okay. So it should be enough. And unlike the socket, this time you have to tie it inside this. So think we should. Yes. So that it's see, it's locked. So there's no way to come out of this one. So you look at the back, it will be something like this. Something like this. So now our wires here. The colors here are different from this, but then they are the same. The neutral is the black, which is blue here. Then the life, which is this color red, is the brown here. Then we have the earth, which is the same color. So what do we do? If we connect only this to the socket, if we connect only this to this socket, power will be available only in this. But then we want power to also be available in this one, so that we can have access to this one. So what we are going to do is that we are going to loop the power. So you take the earth, you loop the earth. Like this. I should do this. Okay. So like this. Okay. So this is it. We now take our socket, and again we go again. It has the earth, the life, which is represented by the letter L, and we have the neutral here, which is represented by the letter N. So we put our neutral here. Okay, so the rest are quite long. So two things. I have to cut. So this one is the earth, so this one will go into the earth. The yellow and green is the earth, so that one will go into the earth. Then the life, which is the red and brown. Yeah. So we are done with this. Now move on to the next one. Move on to the next. So you see that with this, the neutral is here. Unlike this one, looking at this carefully, you realize that the neutral is here. But with this, the neutral is here. That's why I said they are not always at the same position in the previous video. So depending on where, so you have to look at where the letters are. When you look at where the letters are, you will know which wire is supposed to go into which O. So we have the life represented by the letter L, the neutral represented by the letter N. Then with the H, we have the H symbol. So we have our neutral here, we just place it here. Okay, good again. So if you want to have more of this, you will do it exactly how we did this. So you loop it from here into the next socket. So I wanted only two, that's why I looped only two. So it's one looping from here to here. But then if you want another extension, then you should make another looping. So instead of one neutral here, it will be two. Then instead of one edge here, it will be two. Instead of one life here, it will be two. Then it continues like that. So that's how it flows. So we are done. Just close. Just close them now. So here we go. You have it. So when you are done, just position this here. Then you look for a plywood to cover the back so that it become more safe and neat. So let's plug and see if it is working. There we go. All working fine. You can see the red light is on, 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 and this is working perfectly. So, guys, this is how you make a multiple extension board. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.